What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and we are back with another embroidery video. And in today's video, it's a little bit different. I'm trying to switch things up, so I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but we will be doing a picture of Notorious B.I.G. So we're gonna get into that. Get started with that. It will be just one color, which will be black. So I have to go ahead and actually thread that, but it'll be one color, black. I got it on a white piece of fabric. I couldn't find any regular linen cloth, so I just used a white piece of fabric. So that's what we'll be doing on today. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. All right, guys, so we are back right now. So we're going to go ahead now, go ahead and press this button here just to get everything started. Go ahead and chop this jump stitch off. There, here, I guess, here, and that's cool right there. Y'all already know what's coming. Go ahead and give me y'all suggestions right now in them comments. What is your favorite song that you feel like is one of the best songs or that you've heard so far with Biggie? It could be a collab, it could be one of his singles. What is your favorite song? What do you listen to right now as a Biggie listener? If you listen to Biggie, what is one of your favorite songs that you listen to? You might throw it on repeat 3 to 4 times. What is your favorite song right now? Go ahead in the comment section right now. Let me know what is one of your favorite songs that you just love to listen to. Something that gets you hyped. You know what I mean? So go ahead and put that in the comment below, guys. Coming out clean so far. I think I'm gonna start using this this type of material. I think it's coming out clean so far. Honestly, looks good. Can't wait till it starts filling in and you can really see what I saw when I made the design. So it looks dope. This is actually going to be a nice size picture. I try to make it small enough just to fit, but I mean, I think it's dope. I mean, period. The size is great. Not gonna lie. So we're about to see what we come out with. I know y'all see it. It ain't even done yet and y'all see it. I know y'all see that, man. Coming out crazy. Coming out crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I wish YouTube wasn't so strict about the music thing. I'm telling you, I have the music blasting on repeat, y'all, man. So y'all be jamming out watching a dope embroidery video. Man, let me know so far in the comment section how this video turning out. And if you're still here and you watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel and also thumbs up the video. Thank you, and also thank you to everyone who is supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you guys got any suggestions or ideas, go ahead and put them in the comments below. I do comment back. I know most YouTubers might, or might not, what I meant to say, but I do comment back. So just let me know what you got in mind, and hey, hit me up on Instagram as well. So appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned. Coming out clean, guys. Coming out clean. So far, we are only at about 7,500 stitches. There is a total of 18,000 stitches in this design. So we ain't nowhere there yet, y'all, but definitely stay tuned. Stay with me. I'm gonna get there, though. So go ahead and let me know what you think about this video so far. Think I should start doing more famous faces? Yes, no, maybe so. Go ahead, put them in the comments below. As well as just get a video 20 likes. And that'll let me know whether I should or shouldn't do it. So I appreciate you guys' feedback. Thank you so much. So go ahead and do that for me, please. Thank you. Coming out nice. All right, YouTube, quick side note real quick. What do you guys think personally, how would the rap game be today if the ones who got killed back in the day, you know, your Pops and your Biggies, how do you guys think the rap game would be today? What do you think would be going on personally? What goes through you guys' mind and girls about killing the greatest, personally, not just Biggie, but like I said, Pac and other people who passed away due to assassinations, if you want to call it, basically, or deaths. But what do you guys think the rap industry and the rap game right now would be today if they were still alive? You know, I know it's controversy, but hey, put it in the comments right now. Let me know what you guys' opinions. Go ahead. Coming out clean. Just wanted to bag up a little bit so you guys can see the full design. Looks dope. We almost there, y'all. Stay with me. Don't leave on me yet. Stay with me. Stay with me, family. Stay with me. And if you are still here, You already know what I'm about to ask you, right? Go ahead and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Hit those thumbs up. Appreciate it, family. Let's go ahead and continue with this dope design. Stay tuned, y'all, because I definitely got more designs on the way. Definitely stay tuned. And we are done. I'm really feeling this design. This is dope. Came out great. First time stitching it out as well. Came out dope. Let me go ahead and bag it up one time. Pause. Let me go ahead and take this out of the hoop and show you guys it closer up. All right, y'all. Go ahead. Let me know what you think. Looks like it. Nah. Yeah. Maybe. Go ahead. I mean, can't really deny it, but hey, you know, let me know what you guys think. What do it look like? It come out good? Needs work? Let me see if I can hold it up right there. Yeah, probably not. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Give you a little close up on it. Look at it. No white. You see no white on that background. Some parts could have added some little pool comp, but hey, for the majority, it came out dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Go ahead and put it down there, whether it's good or bad. I appreciate the criticism. All in all, I think it came out dope. Nice design. Like I said, I got more of these coming too as well, so definitely stay tuned. Once again, it's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. I'm out, family. One love.